Meet the adorable lovebirds and the tiny parrots full of love.
These birds come from Africa and nearby islands.
Their name comes from their loving behavior toward partners.
From the peach-faced to the masked, these 9 species of lovebirds display a stunning array of colors and behaviors across their African habitats.
Popular ones include peach-faced and Fisher's lovebirds.
They have bright green, yellow, blue, and red colors.
Their lifespan is around 10 to 15 years. With proper care, they can live even longer.
They are playful and very active birds. They love climbing, flying, and exploring.
They can learn tricks and simple behaviors. But they are not great talkers like parrots.
They make cute chirping and whistling sounds. Lovebirds need a spacious cage to stay happy.
Always keep toys inside their cage. Toys help them stay active and avoid boredom.
They enjoy chewing wood and paper. Daily interaction is very important for them.
Oh, you like that, don't you, sweetie? Such a good little baby.
A healthy diet is very important. Feed them seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
Avoid junk food and harmful items. Fresh water should always be available.
Lovebirds can be a bit territorial. They may fight if not properly paired, so careful pairing is very important.
They form strong lifelong bonds. They show affection by feeding each other. They can breed easily in the right conditions. Provide nesting boxes for breeding.
A female peach-faced lovebird lays 4 to 6 eggs in her nest. The eggs hatch in about 3 weeks.
Baby birds are called chicks. Parents take good care of their babies.
Masked lovebirds are perfect pets for bird lovers. They bring joy and happiness to homes.
They are easy to care for with basic knowledge. They are ideal for beginners. But they still need time and attention.
Never keep them in a dirty environment. Clean their cage regularly. A healthy environment keeps them happy.
If you care for them well, they will fill your life with love.